Putting washed and peeled garlic into grinding machine. Garlic cloves will be grinded into garlic paste. The finest degree of final garlic paste can be adjusted. Used to storage vegetable oil for the preparation of garlic sauce as raw materials. Oil can be pumped through pump and the volume can be calculated through the level indicator. The oil volume in the tank can be observed easily. Running garlic paste grinding machine, starting pump. Controlling oil volume and supplying garlic sauce to filling machine. Can be controlled through PLC panel. You can set the required oil volume and controlling the speed on PLC. When starting oil pump, oil will be transferred into homogenization and mixing tank. Pump or manually load the required ingredients according to the receipts. Then you start homogenization motor and control proper speed to get garlic sauce. The final product after homogenization and mixing. According to different receipts, there will be different effect. Garlic sauce will be pumped from tank to start filling procedure.